फ्लिपकार्ट ग्रिड, कौन से मंथ के अंदर फ्लिपकार्ट आता है इसको लेकर, एंड क्या हर कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? बेसिकली इफ सम ऑफ योर जूनियर्स दे वांट टू अप्लाई, देन व्हाट शुड दे डू?
Okay, so for Flipkart Grid, any college student can apply. She should be in particular range of year for a batch. Like for this year, the batch will be 28, 27 or 29. These three are eligible.
So first, second, third year students
Yes.
can apply, not fourth year students.
No, the first round is actually a screening round where a resume will be shortlisted. So the criteria is that there will be academic performance where CGPA will be checked. I don't know the exact figure, but my CGPA at that time was 8.7. So I can say that minimum requirement will be 7.5 to 8. So this will be the minimum requirement for CGPA, and they also check your non-academic achievements as well for screening. After that, if your resume gets shortlisted, then you will proceed to second round. Okay. So the second round was coding round. So coding round was about 90 minutes. Its timeline was 90 minutes, and there were total 3 questions. So first coding round, we have 3 coding questions, and they were about DP and graphs. So they consist of 2 DP questions and 1 graph question. So after this round, when you get shortlisted for the third round, so if I tell you generally, there is only 3 rounds. But in previous grade, they also implemented one more coding round to get more shortlisting.
For you, there were 3 rounds.
Yes. So they also added one more round, and that was also a coding round. So the questions were of much more higher level than the previous one. So these were the questions about trees and graphs only. No DP was there. Timeline was similar, 90 minutes, and questions were also similar. 3 questions were there. So there were only graphs and trees questions. So I tried to do 3 of them, but I was able to do the 2 completely, and third one I passed more than half test cases, not full test cases. So after that, I got shortlisted for that round also. So the final round was case study round. In this round, we will get a problem statement from Flipkart. This problem statement is similar for every finalist. And now we need to form a team of 4. For my team, we need to make a team of 4 people. So there were total 48 finalists.
You were in the 48 finalists students.
Yes.
On a national level for the Flipkart hackathon.
So that hackathon was based on the case study that they provide us. So that we need to make a project within our team, give within 1 week. So we have a timeline to make that project within 1 week, and then we need to go at headquarters, Flipkart headquarters, and then we need to present our project in front of judges. Among 12 teams, only top 6 teams will get the awards, trophies, and EGVs.
So was your team in the top 6?
Yes, our team got in the top 6 also.
Good, great.